Hey, Sonny here. I just ordered a new guitar. It's not new, it's used. It's Ibanez RG Genesis. The video say unboxing, but obviously it's a used guitar that comes with a case. So this is what I had that came to me is a case, gator case with a guitar inside. So let's open it up. So this is the made in 2020 RG Genesis Desert Sun Yellow. It's based on the original RG550, and that's why it's called RG Genesis. It's made in Japan. It's not the Ibanez Prestige model, but all Japanese made guitar to me is considered prestige. But it's just not. It doesn't have prestige on it. But this is just as plays just as well as the prestige guitar, which I have one. This is the RG652, and I have a video for that. So anyway, this guitar, so there's pretty much everything similar to the original RG550 except a few differences. So this is my original 1991 RG550, original case, Ibanez. That's my guitar. This is RG550. So the one thing about this one is that they had a matching headstock with the body color, Desert Sun Yellow. I love that. It's great, classic. Comes with the Golo tuner. The neck is different than the old original RG550. This is a Super Wizard 5-piece neck, maple walnut. The original 550 is a one-piece maple neck. I love the well-worn look right now on it, but it's softer wood, a little fatter, which I prefer. It sounds better to me with the old neck, but nothing wrong with this new neck either. This 5-piece Super Wizard neck is thinner, so you can really shred on this, and it's harder wood. Supposedly, it provides a better stability, better tuning wise, but my old original 550, I have no problem with this thing. It stays in tune for days and months. I never have to tune that thing once it's tuned up. So that's the neck difference. The guitar comes with original pickups, like the old RG550. It has the Ibanez V7, S1, V7 at the neck position, S1 single coil in the middle position, and the V8 bridge position, 2 humbuckers, and a single coil in the middle, 5 switch, basically a switch from neck pickup, and then phrasing on this 2, and then just this pickup, and then this phrasing on this 2, and then the bridge pickup, 5 position, edge tremolo, volume tone, and volume and tone knob, just like the original. That's a big difference with the volume knob, the position of it. If you notice that the volume knob is further down, I'll show you in a minute, compared to my original 550. The volume knob is further down, south, and to your right a little bit. If you look at the bridge pickup and see where the volume knob is, it's further away from the bridge pickup, which is great for someone like me with a big hand. The original guitar, you can see right away is actually closer to the bridge. You can hit that easily when you play this. So that's the biggest difference to me between the two. Now, my RG550, it has a DiMarzio PAF Pro pickup in this one. That was replaced, the original V8 pickup. And on this RG Genesis, I'm going to replace all 3 pickups. Probably 2 PAF Pro humbucker pickups. And the middle pickup, I have to see what was it in the original Jam 777. I'll replace this as well. So that way, once I replace those pickups, it's going to sound incredible. I don't really particularly like these pickups. They don't sound as good as the DiMarzio. But once I replace these pickups, it would be almost exactly like the original Jam 77, except 3 major differences. The Jam 77 original has a lion claw routing, which I will not miss this one right here. Original Jam 77 has the disappearing pyramid inlay, which is kind of cool, but this is fine. Original Jam, of course, has a monkey grip, Steve Vai signature. I won't have this on this guitar, which is completely okay to me. All I care about is the playability, and the sound will be very close to the Jam 777 without paying that kind of money for it. You're not going to find a Jam 77 original or the 30th anniversary model for anything less than $3,000 or maybe $2,500. I don't know. But this guitar comes with a case. I paid $800 for, so it's a great investment. All I have to do is replace those 3 pickups. If you buy this guitar by itself right now, it does not come with a case. It's $1,000 just the guitar, and then you have to pay $200 to buy a case. So it's going to end up costing you about $1,200, and I paid $800 for all this, so I save about $400. All right. So, and the guitar comes with the original instructional booklet and tremolo bar and some tools. The original knobs on this guitar was black, so you see it right here. This one comes with the red knobs. So when I order the pickup, I'm going to order green, red, and green. So I think it would be cool, but green, red knob. So it would be kind of cool to look at. So that's it. That's my RG Genesis, and I'll do another video and demo to show it. But here it is, my new guitar. This is my 3rd RG. I have this original RG550. I have the green one. You probably seen the video of the RG652, the ocean green color guitar. And then now I got this RG Genesis. Well, thanks for watching. Until next time.